I want to fly. I want to fly just like them. That looks easy. That looks easy. I'm gonna learn to fly today. Can you teach me to fly? He looks like he knows everything. I feel the wind. I'm flying! Wait, no! Ouch! That wasn't flying. This will work for sure. Too much wind. Glub. I wasn't ready. I won't quit. Real flyers never quit. Lift me up, balloon buddies. I'm doing it. Oh, no, too high. Someone catch me. Not the bees. I'm sorry. Flying is hard. Okay, one more try. This is genius. I'm alive somehow. Maybe I'm just not meant to fly. But I can swim. Watch this instead. Now DIS is my talent. See? I'm cool anyway. Check out my swim power. Bet you can't swim like DHIS. Flying isn't everything. Then swimming is my superpower.
I'm unstoppable in water.
Call me Water Duck. I don't need to fly to be awesome. Swimming wins every time. I'm still the coolest duck here.